Hello everyone, welcome to Soul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, if you want to book one-on-one session with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to help us with the donations, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yes, you can help. Actually, I'm trying to fix this, okay, so that you can check out the details. Okay, so yes, you can check out my shuffling also. Okay, so yes, and yeah, one more important thing, guys, is that if you want to check out the tarot decks I'm using. You can check out in the description box below. Fourth most important thing, guys, is that if you want to join me on my Facebook live sessions, you can every single day, okay, between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Okay, and yes, we are trying to hit 1000 subscribers, so kindly help us because we really want to hit 1000 subscribers. Okay, and that is really important for us. Okay, so you need to help us in subscribing to our channel. Ask your relatives, friends, families to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can cross 1000 subscribers. Okay, yes, and if you want to help us with the donation, the details of the donation via Google Pay and PayPal is given in the description box below. Okay, so this is the reading for the zodiac of Aquarius, okay, for the month of June. Okay, and let's check out what's coming up for them for Aquarius for the month of June 2020. Okay, yes, one important thing, guys, 1 minute. Okay, yeah. So this is the reading on basically 4 different topics. The 4 main topics are the career, relationship, finances and romance. Okay, so let me check out what's going on with you guys. Okay, yes, now this is comfortable. Okay, so what's coming up for you guys? So okay, so romance is Wheel of Fortune, your career is Knight of Cups, your relationship is High Priestess, and your finances is 8 of Wands. Okay, so let's check out what's coming up for you guys in the area of romance. Okay, so I think some sort of ending is coming, some sort of closure is coming into your romantic love life. Closure in the sense an ending of a karmic cycle, karmic wheel. Okay, into your romantic love life. Okay, so yeah, into your romantic love life. Okay, so let me do it so that this is visible to you guys. Okay, yes. Okay, so we have there is a karmic wheel which is playing its role. Okay, there is a karmic cycle into your romantic love life. Okay, I think there's some sort of closure is coming when it comes to your karmic cycle, some karmic unfinished business of past lives. Okay, so those are coming to an end. So there is a lot of clarity you are gaining when it comes to a particular situation in your romantic love life. I think you want to move forward. Okay, move forward into your life. Okay, when it comes to your romantic love life, move forward, and you wanted some sort of new beginning into your life. New beginning, let me clarify, you want some sort of new beginning into your romantic love life. New beginning when it comes to your wish fulfillment. Okay, wish fulfillment and patience. And okay, so I feel there is some sort of karmic cycle which is playing its role, which is coming to an end. This is all about the past life karmas. Okay, you are gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to a particular connection into your romantic love life. You will be moving forward towards it. Okay, one important thing, guys, before this I just want to tell you, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me to cross 1000 subscribers. Okay, and this is not just for people who are married or who are in a relationship, this is for everyone. Okay, so take whichever paths suits you, okay, and leave the rest. That means that if you are more focused on your career and would like to know about your career, only take career part and rest, leave the rest. Okay, I am involving all the areas because I have all kinds of viewers. Okay, so yes, take whosoever, whichever part resonates with you. Okay, whichever you are thinking and concerned about. Okay, and leave the rest. And yes, these 4 topics are basically included for everyone, like people who are married, people who are separated, people who are in a relationship, people who are single, people who are focused on your career, people who have business issues. Okay, so this, whichever part suits you best, take it and leave the rest. Okay, so yes, this part is for romance. Okay, so yeah, in your romantic love life, Aquarius, there is some karmic cycle which is playing its role. You are gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to a particular connection, a romantic love life, and you want a new beginning when it comes to this connection. Okay, and that is your wish fulfillment. You are being patient enough, you are waiting for someone to arrive, and I think your counterpart is coming into your life. Okay, there is a spiritually divinely guided reunion, or coming together. Okay, so the people who are single, I think a new lover might enter into your life, or a proposal of marriage might come into your life. Okay, so yes, and it will be a spiritual connection for you. Okay, whosoever it will be a spiritual connection for sure. Okay, so yes, let me check it out, and that will be your wish fulfillment. Okay, so yes, in the month of June. So some sort of proposal might be coming into your life. Okay, or people who are separated, they might be reconciling. It's like that. Okay, yes. This is all about twin flames. The only twin flames will be reconciling, reuniting. Okay, and others won't. Okay, so yes, because there is definitely a separation going on between twin flames. Okay, so yes, in Aquarius. So let's check out what's going on into your career life, Aquarius. Okay, so okay, so Aquarius, I think you want to move forward, you want to explore more creative career into your life. Okay, more creativity you want to explore, you want to take some risk and move forward into your life when it comes to your career. Okay, but you are some sort of holding back. Okay, you have a very confused energy, you are holding back from something or someone. Okay, and I feel you are being indecisive, you cannot take a particular decision, and sometimes you feel conflicted in between your head and heart into your career life, that what are you supposed to do, how you want to move forward. And sometimes you just keep on analyzing things, but you don't take action. You are feeling very conflicted into your head. Okay, yes, you are feeling you but I think in the future, in the upcoming weeks, you will be releasing all the stuck energy on all the indecisiveness. Okay, so if you were stuck between two choices, two options, whether to move forward or hold on with a particular path, I think those stuck energy will be released, and you will be taking action, you will be moving forward into your life. Okay, yes, you will be gaining a courage to move forward, you will be taking an action towards moving forward. Okay, and you will be exploring a lot of creativity into your career life, because you want to explore, you want new beginning into your career, you want something new, something some passionate beginnings in your career life you want. Okay, so you are all working towards it. Okay, so let me check out about High Priestess. Like it's all about relationship. Okay, so let me check out what's going on. I am doing this because this should be visible to you. Okay, so yes, yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'll be clarifying High Priestess. So it's about relationship. Okay, some sort of long-term commitment is coming into your life, or yeah. Okay, okay. So people who are into a relationship right now. Okay, this is not for the people who are single. Okay, this part is all about people who are into a relationship. I think you are moving away from all the conflicted energy, on all the fights, disputes, dishonesty, deception. Okay, problems, you are releasing all those energy, I think, into your love life. I think into your relationship, Aquarius, who are already married and in a relationship, like they are staying together right now, this part is for them. Okay, so yes, I think Aquarius, you are gaining a lot of intuition, okay, when it comes to who is cheating on you, who is lying on you, who is dishonest with you, okay. And I think a lot of secrets are coming out of it. You are going through a lot of deception, dishonesty, and you are releasing all this. Like in the past, I think a lot of deception, dishonesty, secrets were hidden, everything was there, and that's why you felt really bad. And I think you are walking away from this situation, okay. You are walling up yourself, you are guarding your wall up, okay. You are no more listening to your counterpart, okay, if they are trying to clarify you, whatever deception in a relationship. Now this relationship might be with your parents, with your family members, or with your counterpart, okay. Basically it's for a soulmate, okay. So yes, so whatever deception was there, whatever secrets were there, those are coming out, and these secrets and everything is coming to an end finally. Like this is a karmic wheel which is playing its role, okay. And this is all coming to an end, and now you are focusing on yourself. You will be self analyzing yourself when it comes to this connection, okay. Whosoever was cheating, who was lying, betraying to you, okay, you are gaining your clarity when it comes to this connection. You are no more going to be an emotional fool with this connection, okay. Yes, you are ending, I think this relationship you are ending with a particular person. This was a karmic relationship, okay, and I think you are moving away from this relationship, okay. Whatever relationship, betrayals, dishonesty, lies was there, so you are moving away from all this deception, dishonesty, problems. What lot of secrets are coming out, and you are analyzing the fact that someone else was lying. So yes, and yeah, you are regaining your power back, you are regaining your power, your strength back, okay. So that is a beautiful energy, I guess. You are regaining your power back, and you will be taking action towards moving forward. No more sad, no more depressed, no more thinking about the connection, but yeah, you will be moving forward towards it. I think this will resonate only 20% of the people, okay, because this story is not for everyone. Only 10 to 20% of the people will be resonating with this. Some sort of lying, betrayal, deception, dishonesty is coming out in the month of June, and I think you will be no more feeling sad, stuck, depressed, and this sort of karmic cycle is coming to an end. This relationship might come to an end as well, okay. So it's like that, yeah. Now let's check out what's going on, Aquarius, with your financial or finance issues. Okay. Okay. So I think a lot of into your career life, into your finances, Aquarius, okay. I'm just setting up this card so that I can pull out more cards afterwards, okay. So yeah, so that it will be visible to you, okay. So I think you want a new beginning in your finances, you want to take a risk, okay, Aquarius. In the upcoming weeks, in the month of June, you will be moving forward into your life. You will be taking a risk, you will be taking a leap of faith, you will be moving forward. I think there might be someone offering a good financial project to you, okay, and you might accept it. And once you accept it, that will bring you will be regaining your power back, and you will release all this stuck energy, confused energy, everything, and you will be moving forward towards it, okay. But watch out to this offer, because there is some devil attached to it, okay. So just think about this, okay, because a lies, betrayal, or some sort of weird energy is there. So just think about it. Whatever decisions you need to take, take it wisely. That's it, okay. Yes, because I think some sort of releasing of stuck energy is definitely there. And I think you will be once you make a movement, once you take an action towards moving forward, I think you'll be taking a risk, you'll be moving forward. Some sort of movement, traveling might take place into your life, and once you do that, someone will offer a cup of collaboration, cup of new job, new beginning, new job, new business, new collaboration, new project, new clients, okay. Something new is beginning into your life, new financial stability is coming into your life in the upcoming weeks. But you have to watch out with this devil energy, that someone is near you, so you have to release all this stuck energy, you have to regain your power back, okay. So just be aware of this devil energy, okay? Aquarius, yes, that is really important for you guys, okay? So yeah, let's pull out few healing messages from the universe. What universe is trying to tell you in the month of June, okay? The first, the second, and the third, okay? So yeah. So these are the healing messages, okay? So let me read out. The first healing message for bodies: I have healthy self-esteem in multiple areas of my life. I am satisfied with my ability to fit into a family, relationship, a career. I feel good about my intellect and my ability to have a voice in my world. Okay, that's beautiful. The second is for healthy relationship: to change, grow, and expand in my life, I lovingly accept help. Beautiful. The third message is for the healthy relationship, okay? True love and partnership always encourage unlimited expression of creativity and spiritual growth. Beautiful. Now let's pull out few of the sacred Indian tarot deck, okay, for you guys. The three universal message which you need to focus on in the month of June, Aquarius, okay? The first, the second, and the third one. Okay. So yeah, let me read it from the book. Okay, this is from the Indian mythology, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Okay, so this is the message from an Indian mythological perspective. Okay, the Ramayana and Mahabharata. Okay, so there is a death card. Okay, I hope you can see. So the death is all about Yama, rebirth, transformation, ending, transition, elimination. So some sort of ending, some sort of closure. That what I said you in the reading is happening for you. Okay, major endings are coming. Major karmic cycle is coming to an end. Okay, and releasing of bad energy, bad life is coming to an end, and a new life will start for you guys. Okay, so that will be beautiful for you. The second is the star, the Tara. The Tara is all about inspiration, understanding, hope, and courage. So be hopeful, be courageous enough. Whatever problems are coming, be brave to face it. Okay, because this is all about universe will be giving you a lot of faith and courage to face your problems in the upcoming weeks. So the Chariot. Okay, Chariot is all about Rath, success, overcoming obstacles, and achievements. Okay, yes, beautiful. So now let's pull out few the theme of the message, like the theme of June, for the theme for the month of June. Okay, yes, the theme for the month of June. I hope this is visible to you. Okay, yes, the theme for the month of June. The theme for the month of June. Universe, please tell me what's the theme for the month of June. Universe, please tell me what's the theme for the month of June. Universe, please tell me what's the theme for the month of June. What you need to focus for the month of June. Okay, so yeah, 3 cards popped out. Okay, so yeah, let me check out what's going on with you. What you need to focus on in the month of June, the theme for the month of June. Okay, so leave behind all the bad things, bad life, bad experiences. There's some new beginning is coming into your life. Major transformation, major shifts are coming into your life. Okay, and trust your intuition level, because your truth only you know. Okay, and be truthful towards you. Like if you are supporting your true intentions, it will guide you to the right results. Okay, so be truthful towards it, and move forward into your life, to a new beginning. Major shifts, major changes will be happening into your life in the month of June. The second is focus on your dreams. Okay, so universe might be giving you or might be, universe might be, telling you, giving you signs, okay, about you, about something, okay, like about your dreams, okay. One second, guys.